Go home happy with the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, four-wheel drive, backup camera. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.